All right, what you're going to do first is you'll construct a new segment that's exaggeratedly longer than the first, or than the original one. Okay, so if you take your straight edge and you draw a segment that is exaggeratedly longer than your original. And next you're going to adjust your compass radius to be the length of your original segment. Okay, so now you want to take and place your compass tip on one endpoint of your original segment, and you're going to adjust your compass so that its radius setting is exactly the same as the length of that original segment. And the way that you can guarantee that or show your work for that is you'll create a little arc that passes through the original segment. So notice I have this arc drawn here. Okay, I need to see that arc when you're submitting things by hand. Okay, anytime you're expected to duplicate a segment, I want to see that you have left your markings to show that duplication. And now what you're going to do is you're going to keep your compass measure the exact same, and you're now going to bring that down to the endpoint, one of the endpoints of your segment, and you're going to duplicate this mark on the new segment. So without changing the radius measure of your compass, you're now going to construct an arc that passes through the new segment by keeping it the same as the original distance. You have now duplicated your segment. So we have this new segment AB that is identical in length to the original segment AB. And if you want to, you could darken in the segment that contains the duplicated portion, but don't erase any markings. Okay? Again, one of the biggest mistakes on these types of constructions is students erase all their markings. Okay? If you don't have your markings there, I assume you used a different method than this. Okay? Because you could just take a ruler, measure that, and copy it, right? I mean, pretty easy to do. So if I see that even if you're exact or like with precision, you have the exact same length, but if you don't have these markings, you're not going to get full credit on a construction, as simple as it is. Okay, so show your markings, leave them all there. There's no reason to erase what you've done.